Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I'm going to start the biology of class 10 and today my topic is gaseous exchange in human. In all the animals and in human beings, the gaseous exchange occur by the respiratory system. The respiratory system, it is further divided into two main parts, air passageway and the lungs. एयर पैसेज वे मीन्स वो तमाम ऑर्गन्स वो तमाम पार्ट्स जिनके थ्रू जो आउटसाइड एयर है it enters in the lungs and after the exchange of gases the impure air is expelled out. So first we start with the nose. Nose, it covers the cavity which is known as a nasal cavity. This nasal cavity opens outside through two openings called the nostrils. The nasal cavity, आपको पता है कि जो nasal cavity it is lined by the mucus and hair. एंड इसका जो हेयर का और जो म्यूकस का फंक्शन किया है इट ट्रैप्स द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स एंड आल्सो इट मेंटेन्स द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द इनकमिंग एयर. आफ्टर entering in the nasal cavity, the air then enter in the pharynx. Pharynx, it is a muscular passage and यहाँ देखो there further in the pharynx there are two openings. यहाँ two openings खुलती हैं. One opening is for the food and other opening is for the wind. Here there at this point there is a muscular flap. This muscular flap is known as the epiglottis. और इस epiglottis का मकसद क्या होता है, इसका फंक्शन क्या होता है कि during eating, जब भी आप खा रहे होते हो कुछ, this muscular flap covers the trachea, covers the larynx, उसको कवर कर देता है एंड उससे जो फूड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो विंड पाइप में नहीं जा पाते. After this, the pharynx enter in the larynx. Larynx, it is the start of the trachea and larynx is also known as a voice box. क्यों? Because it has two pairs of the band and these bands are known as the vocal cords and through these vocal cords the vibrations are produced and then sound is produced. So larynx, it is present between pharynx and the trachea. After this, the trachea start. Trachea is also known as the windpipe. इसमें क्या होता है, you देख रहे हो आप C shape rings हैं. These C shape rings are made of the cartilage. और इसका फंक्शन क्या है, ये जो C shape rings हैं they protect the trachea from collapsing even when there is no air in it. After this, the trachea divide into two branches and these branches are known as the bronchi. These bronchi also has the C shape rings and then enter in the each lung. After entering in each lung, the bronchi divide and redivide into very very small branches and these branches are known as the bronchioles. एंड उसमें देख रहे हो कि इतनी वो स्मॉल हो जाती हैं कि सी शेप रिंग्स जो होते हैं उससे खत्म हो जाते हैं एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दीज सी शेप रिंग्स देयर आर द क्लस्टर्स ऑफ द पाउचेस एंड दीज पाउचेस आर नोन एज द एल्वोलाई. These alveoli, these are the pouches and these are covered by the capillaries and basically these are the site. ये वो जगह होती है जहाँ पे exchange of gases होता है. वो कैसे कि जब एयर जो है लंग्स में एंटर होती है, लंग्स में एंटर होने के बाद एल्वोलाई में एंटर होती है. एल्वोलाई जो होते हैं वो एक किस्म के फूल जाते हैं एयर से and these alveoli are covered by the capillaries and here the exchange of gases takes place. The oxygen that is in the air get diffused in the capillaries and then carbon dioxide it is from the blood get diffused in the air and after this the impure air is expelled out.